Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Who doesn't love masala dosa? Crispy crepes roasted in ghee until golden, smeared with spicy fiery red chutney, served with half a dozen tasty sides is one of the best breakfasts one can have. One stand-up comedian went to an extent where he called the dosa the South Indian weed. Well, I couldn't agree less. It's that tasty and we all know it. So today, let's see how to make it. To make the dosa batter, measurements are very important. I am using this cup shown in the video for measuring the ingredients. You can use whichever you like, katori, glass, bowl, etc. Just make sure you follow the right ratio. So the ratio is 3:1. 3 cups of dosa rice or any other rice to 1 cup of black gram, that is urad dal. Tip number 1. Try to use the whole unpolished urad dal as they give the best results for idlis and dosas. So here I have added 3 cups of dosa rice and 1 cup of whole urad dal. Next add 2 tablespoons of Bengal gram, that is chana dal. This is to give the dosa a nice golden color. Add a pinch of fenugreek seeds. This is optional, you can skip it if you want to. The last ingredient for dosa is flattened rice or poha. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of poha. You can use up to 1 cup of poha for a nice soft dosa. Poha doesn't need to be soaked for long, hence we soak it just 15 to 20 minutes before grinding. You can use any variety of poha, thin or thick. Make sure you soak it accordingly. Now wash all the dals and rice well and soak with clean drinking water for 6 to 8 hours. Tip number 2. Do not throw away the water in which you have soaked the dals and rice. Use it for grinding the batter as it will help in better fermentation. It's been 8 hours and everything has soaked well. Here's poha. I had washed and soaked it 15 minutes back. You can see that it has already softened. Now it's time to grind. Tip number 3. If you want perfect crispy dosas, it's always best to grind in a wet grinder. I'll tell you all about it in my upcoming idli video. For now, we'll grind it using a mixer grinder. I'm going to grind this in 2 batches as the quantity is more. Put the dals and the rice along with some water and grind to a smooth batter. Transfer the batter to a big vessel. I am adding the poha now while grinding the second batch. Grind this to a smooth batter as well and transfer everything to a big vessel as the batter will rise to double or triple its volume after fermentation. Add salt to taste and mix well. As you can see, the dosa batter has to be a little thin or dilute because after fermentation the batter will thicken. Cover and let it ferment for 10 to 12 hours. In cold regions it will take more than 12 hours to ferment well. Now let's make the red chutney. Here I have taken badgi chilies. They are not spicy but they give a good deep red color. And these are Guntur chilies and are very spicy. You can add a little of this along with the badgi chilies if you prefer more spicy. Now heat oil in a pan and add the onion, garlic and the badgi chilies. Saute until the onions are soft. Now add the cumin seeds and fry for another minute. Switch off the flame and allow this to cool completely. After the mixture has cooled, transfer it to a mixer jar. Here I have soaked the tamarind in some water. I'm going to strain and add it to the jar to get rid of the impurities. Add salt and grind this to a smooth paste. Our red chutney or paste is ready. Now let's make the potato palya. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. Add the onions and the curry leaves. Saute until the onions are soft. Add the green chilies. Now add the salt and turmeric. Mix well. Here I have some boiled peas. I am adding the peas to the onion mixture. Mix well. And now add the boiled and mashed potato. Mix this well. Switch off the flame and garnish with fresh chopped coriander leaves. Our potato palya is ready. It's been 12 hours. You can see the batter has nicely risen and fermented. If your batter is too thick, add some water and mix it up. Now let's make the dosas. Heat a griddle or a tawa, grease it with oil or ghee. When the tawa is nice and hot, pour a ladleful of the batter and spread the batter in circular motion like so. Tip number 4. Use ghee for the dosa as it will make the dosas extra crispy and also give a good color and taste to the dosa. Now drizzle ghee all over the dosa or as much as you like. Cook it on a medium flame. Smear the red chutney or paste evenly all over the dosa like so. Place a spoonful of potato mixture in the center, and now you can either roll the dosa or fold it in half or fold it in a triangle as I am doing. Place it on a serving plate and enjoy it hot along with some nice chutneys. I hope you do try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.